How to hide mutual friends on Facebook. So what you're gonna do here, you have to go here to your Facebook, and you will be led here to your homepage, right? Now, first and foremost, let me just put it out there. You are unable to completely hide your mutual friends list. The only way where you can hide your mutual friends is to completely hide all or your full friends list. So to do that, you may want to go here to your menu and then scroll down up until you see settings and privacy and click on settings. Now here on settings, what you're going to do next is to scroll down here up until you see the audience and visibility option or section, and you may want to go here to the second option that says how people find and contact you. Click on that, and here the second option, you will see who can see your friends list. So it is currently set on only me. So you want to since you want to hide your mutual friends on Facebook, what you're gonna do is to tap on only me here, and basically you have completely hidden your mutual friends list, including all your friends list on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.